Should be no more excuse. I don't see it. Welcome back to the channel. I just got my head gasket today, and it's time to put these two together. I have checked or did as much as I can to figure out where or what is the cause of that oil from the number one cylinder, and I have come up with a solution. Well, not really a solution, but an explanation. Some of it, a little bit of it, why there's a lot of oil in the number one runner. I think it has something to do with my PCV valve right here. This thing is plumbed directly on the number one. Since I found that the number one piston oil control ring was out of whack, or not, the gap is not really where it should be, and I'm hoping that could be it. But again, the only way to find out really is put this thing two together and see how it goes. I know it's gonna be a very expensive and time consuming just to find out, but hey, that's the only way. And as far as like the head, yeah, I checked the valve guides and all that, you know, checking the clearances and checking for wobble and all that, but yeah, I couldn't find anything wrong with the valves and everything. And also, as far as the valve guides, maybe there's a hairline crack on it. It's unheard of on Hondas. It could, you know, it can happen, but nothing really. I'm not really too concerned about. Maybe there's something wrong with the valve guides or something. But I did replace the stem seal, so I know this thing is 100% oil proof, should I say? But we shall see. ARP studs, there is no right or wrong on how to install this. It's up to your liking. It's whatever makes you feel comfortable. And if you're not sure of how to do the installations, just follow their manufacturer's instructions on how to install it. I'm gonna run them all the way tight. Back them up one turn. Hello everyone, this is the next day. Did a lot of things yesterday, and the only thing I have got left is, of course, put the air intakes distributor and add some fluids, bring her down, and give her a prime. Okay. Yeah, right now it's still cold, but as soon as that thing normalizes, I think I'll be okay. Turn on the heat to circulate the water. It has been about 7 minutes, and the thermostat, I think it just opened, and I do have air in the, or hot air in the cabin, so that's a good thing. Get rid of that one. So now I'm just going to wait till the radiator fan comes on. There's too many cars on the driveway. It'll be the same thing. If this thing is gonna smoke, it's gonna smoke. So I'm gonna wait till the fan kicks in, pull the plugs, and put my bore scope on there, and we shall see. But in the meantime, I think I can do this. Let's see if this thing is gonna smoke. Dang. Man, you know, something like this, I'm like racking my brains on what could cause that blue smoke. But man, awesome, awesome, man. What a great feeling, I tell you. Oh man. Whew. Gone. Good. It's dry. Oh yeah. Yeah, once I take this out on the road, put some more mileage on there, and yeah, this thing will just I don't see any sign of oil, and it's good. Nothing. No more excuse. That's it. Hopefully no more bugs will show up, and it will be good to go. Right on, man. Let's go home. Let's check Smoky. Yeah, it's gone. Man, that's a good feeling, man. Right on. able to see right there. That's the exhaust valve. And the intake, yeah, it's got a little bit on there, but it's better than what it was before. Yeah, I see it that it's a little bit wet, but the must be from fuel. But sure is the carbon deposit, it adds up now. There's more deposits on there now. There's more deposits on there now. It's not like before where it was it's swimming in a pool of oil. Okay, I'm happy. So that will conclude this episode. And if you guys ever have a blue smoke on your freshly rebuilt motor, could be the piston rings, could be the valve stem seals, but the cylinder head on this one, this is not the original cylinder head. The original on this one got sent overseas. Remember on previous vlog when I was showing this stroker, and I replaced that head, but I did not take the time to replace the stem seals on this one, and foolish me. Stroker is fixed, and hopefully no more bugs will show up, and I'm ready. Yeah, I think she's ready. She's all broken in, and then we'll see it from here, see if that intake manifold will perform how it should be. And thank you guys for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do, and hit that notification bell, and like this, well, like all my videos, and I'll see you guys back. Thanks everyone, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys back. Bye bye.